Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. You see that device here, which can really good help you in your garden work. If you have big wood stuck there or something else which is in place and you like to remove it, then of course you will need such a tool. Because this tool here is a lifesaver. This here is the Axenin Brushes Mini Chainsaw. It's a cordless 6-inch electric saw. The battery operated chainsaw with two 2 ampere-hour batteries and two super chains. It's a small chainsaw. It's a power tool for cutting trees, cut wood, and so on. Of course, it can cut your fingers, so take care. We have two large capacity batteries. The mini chainsaw is equipped with 2 ampere large capacity batteries, which can provide us with a long battery life while cutting wood and pruning branches. And if the cordless chainsaw works for too long, we can charge it in advance before using it next time to prevent low battery power from affecting our cutting of the wood and branches. Or we can use our, for example, our Makita batteries. We have here a brushless FD motor. This 6-inch battery chainsaw is a 700-watt high-power pure copper motor, which allows us to cut logs about 6 inches in diameter in 8 seconds. This segment has to quickly cut or prune branches. It is the essential garden tool for cutting. And of course, safety setting first. In order to prevent injuries caused by accidentally turning on the mini chainsaw, they set the chainsaw to start working only when the safety switch and the power button are pressed at the same time. They have prepared safety goggles for us to prevent small flying wood chips and dust from hurting our eyes too. And we will get all what we need. We will get a 6-inch cordless chainsaw with an additional chain, 2 batteries, a charger, a screwdriver, an oil bottle, 2 rubber cut gloves, a wrench, an anti-goggle, and a nice exquisite box, which can help us to make a high-speed chain here, 28 FI per second. The Axenin 8-inch mini chainsaw cordless comes with 1.8 pound lightweight, 2 ampere batteries, that means a long-lasting battery, and a 6 inches size, that makes it really portable. 700-watt high-power motor, and we have a durable safety protection design which can ensure that others will not be injured by using the chainsaw incorrectly. We have a security lock and a power key. And we have to push first the security lock button. Then we can push the power key or the power trigger to start the engine. We unlock more scenes with this mini chainsaw. That means girls' power is here, portable, safe. This is our time and a labor cost. That's good for the garden, for the orchard, for the forest, and of course for our all home cutting stuff. Yeah, that's cool, that's easy. We can easily operate that. The brushless mini chainsaw comes with all what we need. Chainsaw is a good thing because a chainsaw or a chainsaw is a portable handheld power saw that cuts with a set of teeth attached to a rotating chain, driving along a guide bar. Modern chainsaws are typical electric and are used in activities such as tree felling, limbing, bucking, pruning, cutting, fire breaks, and woodland fire suppression, harvesting of firewood for use in a chainsaw or at the chainsaw mills. for cutting concrete and cutting ice. Precursors to modern chainsaws were first used in surgery, with patents for wood chainsaws begin in the 19th century. A chainsaw comprised of an engine, an electric engine, a drive mechanism, a guide bar, a cutting chain, and a tensioning mechanism, and safety features. Various safety practicals and working techniques are used with chainsaws. And here it comes, the really cool Axine brushless mini chainsaw is a cordless model with 6 inches chain. It's an electric saw which is battery operated for you. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Zun Zun. Chain baby.